that someone asks us which language to be done for ML, DS, AI. Is Python enough or not? Yes, I think this is a good question. Over to you, Ashish. What do you say? Whether Python is enough for these applications, ML, DS, and AI?
I would feel like having Python and R, like at least those two languages, like would really help because like R is more on the mathematical side and Python is more like helping you with the like having code in production, like for any company. So like those two are like the very basic to start with.
Yes, yes, and I also agree with him. Although what I suggest all my students, started with the C because it is a basic, and to learn the syntax in a better way, you have to have good understanding of C because through from C you can have an good logical interpretation of the problem. You can do it, and then later on you can when you shift it on the Python, you can learn it easily and quickly. So I think both, but yes, Python is one of the key language that you all have to understand to create some application on AI, particularly not only AI ML, but yes, on IoT side also. If you are working on certain real-time devices, so you because all the embedded codes, they are written in C, C++ nowadays even. So
Yeah.
so you have to be perfect in C for particularly while and after that Python. So this is again a very good question.